Okay, let's start our morning assembly. It's already past 10:15. Welcome everyone. We miss you. Are you an IB lover? Do you love IB school, kids? Give me a thumbs up. We miss you so much. Yeah, so today is the new year. We're gonna learn a new topic. We're gonna learn about self-control. Yeah, self-control. Penguasaan diri, ya, self-control. But before we learn about the topic, let's get moving. Ya, kita gerak dulu ya. Okay? We're going to do brain gym. Okay, this brain gym, it's a video, okay? It's a video. And you have to rescue someone. You are like a hero, like a superhero. You're gonna put on your superhero mask, okay? And you're on a mission. You have to complete the mission. Okay, okay, kids? Are you ready? All right, let me share the video. I want everybody to stand up and participate and join the mission. Okay? Okay, give me a minute, yeah? Gonna share it. Okay, where is it? Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Share screen. Okay. All right. Let's stand up.
Hey guys, Charlotte here. You came just in time. Captain Man and Kid Danger need your help. Looks like Dr. Maniac broke into junk and stuff. Can you guys help us stop him before he discovers the man cave and reveals Ray and Henry's secret?
Thanks, Charlotte. Come on. We need to get back to the man cave as soon as possible.
Quick, grab a mask and put it on. Run!
Okay, grab your mask, kids. Run, run, run.
Jolly Beetles, jump!
Jump.
Oh no, a black cat. Dodge right.
Okay, go to the right.
Dodge left around that
Left.
Frozen yogurt. Dodge right.
Good.
Look out, Jasper's bucket.
Kick it over.
Kick it.
Meatballs. Dodge left.
Okay,
Now
go
right.
to the left. Go to
My
the right.
goodness, I'm hit it. Jump!
Jump.
Food is making me hungry.
Look out for the basketballs. Jump!
Jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
I've got the pace to run through the portal.
Okay, run faster, faster.
Race skateboard. Jump!
Jump.
Jump over the parapet. I
Jump.
cannot afford to fix that screen again. Yikes. A pinata.
Dodge left.
Touch left.
Swat away the farts.
Slap it. Swat it.
Muffin.
Dodge left.
Did I mention how hungry I am?
Snakes. Jump!
Jump.
Ah! Jump!
Jump again.
Watch out for that helicopter. Jump!
Jump.
Jump! I just famous pie.
That's my dessert later.
Put away the smoke.
Oh, wow, that was exhausting. Charlotte, you take over while I take it down.
Awesome job. You made it to the man cave. Now we've got to find out where Captain Man and Kid Danger keep their gumballs. Once we find them, we can chew the gum, blow a bubble, and transform into superheroes.
Okay, kids. Okay, that was get moving, yeah? You can get moving. I know this is break time, yeah? This is break time. So you get to move around. If you want to go to the restroom, take a break, that's fine, yeah? Okay, so once again, Happy New Year. Yeah, I'm gonna read some of the chat and then we're gonna go to the topic, self-control. Okay. Where did you go for the holiday? Ya, mungkin yang pas itu ya jawabannya I stayed home. Yeah, somebody say I went to my grandma's house. Itu juga bagus ya. Because we still have pandemic. Okay? Okay, kids, just stay home, keep healthy. If you go somewhere, don't forget to wash your hands and wear your mask. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about our new topic, self-control. Penguasaan diri. Okay? So, everybody has Class Dojo account. Semua sudah punya Class Dojo Monster. Is that right? Yes. Don't forget to join assembly every day so you can get your Class Dojo points. Okay? This video I'm going to show you, it's about self-control. Okay, penguasaan diri. And it's from Class Dojo. Dojo Monster. Okay? So, penguasaan diri, self-control, I'll give you example, okay? Okay, this card, okay, I have a flash card, okay, kids? Penguasaan diri, berpikir sebelum berbicara. Itu example ya, example. So, we have to be mindful dan berpikir dulu ya. Itu example. Coba, what are other example? Okay, another is it good to be angry? Marah-marah aja? No, cannot. So you have to have penguasaan diri. Itu your emotion, ya. Emosi kita harus terkontrol. Okay, so I'm going to share this Class Dojo video about self-control. Okay.
Mojo's class was presenting book reports on presidents. So I replied, "Dearest father, I cannot tell a lie. I did cut thy cherry tree." Thank you. "You nailed it!" exclaimed Mojo. "Thanks. You're next, Mr. Lincoln," said Katie. Mojo confidently walked to the front of the class. Mojo began. 407 years ago, our fathers, some students snickered. Brought forth on this continent, that government of the purple, people. Sorry. The end. Embarrassed, Mojo walked back to his desk. "I don't get it, Katie. I knew it cold. What happened?" "Well, are your palms sweaty?" "Yeah." "Is your heart beating so fast it feels like it might break out of your chest?" "Yes." "How did you know?" "Simple. It's the beast." The beast? Think of your most powerful emotions, like anger, fear, and anxiety. That's the beast. It's part of what makes you, you. But it can get out of control if you're not careful. Ah! How do I get rid of it? You can never get rid of it. But you can tame it. Ooh, how? But just then, Katie ran off to her next class. And Mojo was left to wonder, could he really tame the beast? Could he even make friends with it? Now that's an interesting question indeed.
Okay, we're going to continue the video tomorrow. This is only part 1. Ini bagian yang pertama ya. So Dojo have a speech, ada pidato ya, in front of the class, di depan kelas. What happened? Ya, dia merasa takut, and then what happened? He did not do a good job. Ya, jadi pidatonya itu tidak baik karena dia merasa takut. Ya, and then dia bertanya ya kepada temannya, why like that? In the video, karena ada emotion yang powerful, seperti anger, kemarahan, ya, ada emosi seperti fear, ketakutan. Siapa yang pernah marah? Ya pasti pernah ya. Siapa yang pernah takut? Itu fear. Itu emosi-emosi yang powerful. Siapa yang pernah anxiety? Anxiety itu stress. Siapa yang frustrasi? Frustration. Pernah? Siapa yang pernah bad mood? Ya, feelingnya bad mood hari ini ya. Atau tidak percaya diri. Ada, you can raise your hand. Kita jujur aja ya. Dan juga takut malu, embarrassing. Ya. Siapa yang pernah? Raise your hand ya. Anger, marah. Siapa yang pernah? Raise your hand. Fear, takut, malu. Ya, takut malu sama ya. Or nervous, atau stress, atau frustrasi, atau tidak percaya diri. Pernah kan? Ya, saya pernah juga. Apakah ini bisa dikontrol? Bisa dikontrol? Atau itu like a monster, tidak bisa dikontrol? Di video kan itu dipanggil monster ya. Kalau kita marah, feeling-feelingnya itu so powerful, mengontrol kita seperti the beast. Ya, ya memang itu not good ya. Can it be controlled? Yes, bisa dikontrol. Besok, I'm going to show you another video, a dojo video, how to control your powerful emotions. Can you get rid of it? Apakah kita buang itu? Emosi-emosi seperti kemarahan, ya, takut, fear, malu, atau stres, frustrasi, apakah itu bisa dibuang? Kalau dibuang tidak bisa, kids, tapi bisa dikontrol. Okay? Can you be friends with those emotions? Apakah kita bisa jadi teman, ya, with those powerful emotion? Yes, that's the good news. Ya, jadi besok I'm going to show you another video about dojo, yeah, about how to control those emotions. Yeah, maybe you can chat. Maybe you can chat bagaimana bisa control those emotions. Ya, tadi Sir bilang ya, penguasaan diri, berpikir sebelum berbicara. Ya, nah itu one way, okay? But tomorrow I'm going to follow up with another video. Okay, kids? So thank you so much. You can chat right now. How can you control your emotions? You can tell me. Yeah, tomorrow we'll watch the video. Anybody chat? How can you control your emotions? Apa itu tidak bisa dikontrol? Karena topik baru ini nanti kita belajar juga ketika character building subject. Okay, kids? Self-control. Ya, Another example, penguasaan diri, membalas kejahatan dengan kebaikan. Ya, itu bisa dikontrol juga ya. Oke. Okay? And then another one, mengendalikan emosi. Ya. Oke. Okay. Ini from Azarel. Take a deep breath. Yeah, from Miss Santi. Control my anger by taking a deep breath. We can take a deep breath like this. 1, 2, 3. You can blow it out. Yes, very good. And then, ada juga harus sabar. That is from Talita Orion. Yes, thank you. And then, ada lagi. Yeah, we have to berpikir positif. Jangan negatif ya. Yeah, thank you. From Binaya, Endeavor Class. Ya. Jangan berpikir yang emosi-emosi yang tidak baik. Oke. Okay? Ini from Supernova Naomi. We have to stop what we're doing. Ya, we have to stop. Ya, harus ikhlas. Adelio, Pluto Class. Don't be angry from Lionel Supernova. Yeah, from Azarel, count 1 to 10 atau 1 to 20. Kita hitung 1, 2. Ini from Adelia Gemini, mendengarkan music. Yes, you can do something else. Okay, kids? So thank you so much. Already good answers. Yeah, we're gonna continue about self-control, penguasaan diri tomorrow. And you're gonna watch another video from Dojo, how to control your powerful emotions. Okay, so be good kids, have self-control, and we'll see you tomorrow. Once again, Happy New Year, welcome back. Mungkin ada announcement, mungkin we miss you, and you miss IB school, mau tatap muka, you want to go to the school, tapi pandemi ini masih masih belum bisa terkontrol ya nak. Ya, kita tunggu announcement dari pemerintah ya kids. I hope we can see all of you soon. Oke, tetap semangat belajar. Be excited kids. Never give up. Yeah, and then the new topic, have self-control. So thank you so much. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you again in 2021. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. You have one more session. Please be good boys and girls. Okay, see you later. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye.